Alright, what up, y'all? Today is Today's Saturday. With my guy Gene again. We about to install the traction bar. We found some of my old bolts. They should work for the most part, but I'm not too concerned about. Even if it can hold on by two, then I could just order them from Honda. Not a big deal. It's about angle grinders. We have to basically back here where the tow hook goes. This last bolt is spinning inside. There's a nut on the other side, so we gotta cut like a little square, like a little door, and hold the nut from the back and take out the screw. And basically that's about it. And then I'm gonna just probably just gonna take this side off the bumper and then work from there. So let's go. Alright, so this is where we're gonna be cutting right here, and we're just gonna make literally like just. We're gonna make a little door and just flop it open, and then the nut is gonna be literally right behind here, and then we can remove this one right here. Save your squint. Yeah. Got like a flat around there. I think that's what. Yeah, you see that? This shit is going in. Oh yeah. Falls up there. Yeah. I think. Hold on. I'm about to say, bro, that shouldn't come out like that, bro. Like, what is this? Man. Alright, we got the biggest headache out the way already, which was that. So, finally got it out. Put this over here. Now we're gonna assemble the traction bar, put it on, and start tightening everything little by little. My guy came through and came clutch right now. Alright, so we ran into another little issue. I had to cut this open a lot more because the top bolt ended up breaking. So we ended up just, well, it didn't break. It just, the weld from inside snapped off. So we just held it from this side. He tightened it from the other side. This one went down. So we have two so far. We just have to find a bolt for this one. But for right now, two is fine to work with. Gene is on the other side right now trying to see if we can figure out if we can fit those other bolts on. I'm over here trying to figure out. I have a whole bunch of bolts here and on the other side also too. So I'm gonna see if right now I can find something to make it work. Oh shit! All right, we're letting the gun charge because this control arm doesn't want to come off for some reason. My side came out. One of your bolts came out, right?
Yeah, one of the nut did.
The bolt is not coming out. The nut on the passenger side came out. So we're just gonna put the stabilizer bars and just adjust them. Letting the gun charge to 3 bars to see if it'll work better. But we're hitting that shit on 3, and that shit is not doing anything at all. So we're gonna just start putting these on. Let the gun charge, and then hopefully it comes out. Hopefully we don't have to jack the car to the roof and try to break that bolt loose, but can't afford for that bolt to break either, so we'll see. Alright, so we just did this side right here. We did this side, we're gonna leave it loose. Obviously we gotta do adjustments. So now we're gonna go, well, we're gonna put it on the side, and we're just gonna wait to see if we can take that nut out. Alright, so basically traction bar is on, so everything is adjusted, it's tight. Ain't making no play or anything. So now that this is adjusted and it's good, now my guy Gene is gonna send me to some spot. So I got a wheel alignment, wheel balance, because now that everything is basically together, I gotta do a wheel alignment. So I won't get no wheel hop on the street, which I really didn't, but you won't have no wheel hop definitely in the track, and it won't even push the wheel. It won't, because if you guys know, we do like a 60 foot, yeah, control on everything has like that. You won't really notice it unless you do like a slow-mo, but especially with that, it'll just keep everything nice and tight. So now we put the bumper back on, and yeah, we should be good. So that's literally one step closer to taking it to the track. My guy right here, yo. So what's going on with your car? Well, with your dad's car with the V20.
With the green one.
Yeah, because I know you guys, we didn't really give like a good explanation, but the motor didn't really mess up. It was like it was just like needed maintenance, and his dad just wanted to just
it was long
basically just do
last year, change the bearings, and he didn't do it, and we paid the price now.
but all he had to do was literally
change
bearings, and the motor would have been good. But his dad wants to just go a different route. All right, so basically his dad's gonna do, what is his dad doing again?
We had a 450, Fuel-Tech 450 on. We're gonna go with the 550, do a strain gauge, and little other things to make it a little quicker, see what it does, improvement.
And then it should be a couple weeks, right?
Yeah,
a couple weeks. So we'll be back
next month for sure.
Hopefully, he said next month. Hopefully this car will be done. His car will be done. Oh, we still gotta go get a dyno too.
Yep.
So we gotta go get that dyno. So maybe I'll just wait off, send this car to the track on the same day that they go, and then
sooner too, though.
yeah. So yeah, we'll see how it plans out. But they're going a whole different route. So track is definitely gonna start getting a lot more packed now too. So we're probably gonna get 2 passes max within like, I don't even know, 5 hours or whatever, depending on the time we get there. Yeah, and then I gotta see how much of a hassle they're gonna give me, because you see my seatbelts, those are regular. They ain't no inspection. There's nothing. Those are regular Amazon seatbelts that I just
they'll
bought.
work though, cause it's a street car.
So we're gonna see how much of a hassle they'll give me for those brakes. For those seatbelts, and then my battery is not tied down. But we could just literally buy some metal, bend it, and just drill that shit to the floor. My dad gave me this right here. Look, he gave me this. We were supposed to do it before we left, but I never got to do it. What we was gonna do with this, we was just gonna take this, put the battery on it, and just get like something to drill down and get like a strap, something. I mean, we could make it work. This is from like a van or something like that, but they just need to see at least that the battery is not gonna turn and flip over and shit like that. So. Definitely gotta do that, but like I said, not in a rush. We already got the traction bar done. Next will be wheel alignment, wheel balance, because you guys seen his wheel. Bro, my hand be like this, bro, shaking crazy. So that's definitely next. And then we'll do batteries and shit like that, and then we'll do more updates on his car, because he got that car, then he got a EG. That is doing, what is it? Stock K turbo, right? Yep. Stock K turbo, and then you guys have the EK coupe like this, all-wheel drive K20, right? Yep. K20. K24. And that one is no fucking joke. So they're waiting on some Mickey Thompson to come in for that. That we gotta do like POV. We gotta do some street pulls. That thing is crazy, because that shit just is hooking on all 4. So they're waiting on tires for that. So we'll definitely have some more stuff to do. But in the meantime. We're done with this. We're going to put the bumper back on and then see what else. Alright, what up, guys? So we just finished up. We wrapped up the car, put the bumper, everything back on. Pretty quick, easy install. Gene just gave me a hand. So, because we was already having issues. I was already having issues with the bolt being stuck. So he came through to help me so we could both do, loosen one side, cut the other side. It was a little process, but we got it done. So I'm happy about that. Probably next week or this week, I'm gonna start emptying out the garage again. It's pretty much empty. I'm gonna buy degreaser to degrease this floor, because this floor has if you guys can see, it has paint and stuff like that. But just gonna degrease it. I want to degrease it, clean it up, because I want to buy the epoxy kit. Because my dad should be coming in 2 weeks. So we're gonna just be painting the floor and stuff. So gotta degrease it, clean up the garage. Stuff like that. So what I gotta do next now is I gotta do wheel alignment and stuff like that to get this car driving straight, obviously, because it's all over the place right now. And then do a wheel balance. So pretty quick install. I got it on Amazon for $100 for the traction bar. They all are the same thing, like K-Tune. They all the same thing. Literally just slap a sticker on it. same thing. They all work. They're great. So I appreciate you guys watching. Yeah, I'll have more content obviously with Gene's car, with his car, his dad's car, turbo car. So definitely more content coming. Like I said, I want to take this car to the street, see some races, see some meet, stuff like that. You know, it's getting warm, so definitely want to see, you know, what the car scene out here is really like in the summertime. So yeah, pretty excited about that. So I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe, build to enjoy. You guys remember, stay tuned, like this video. Yeah, we back out here putting out content. So appreciate you guys. Peace out.